Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Lulu's AI Daily Brief, your tech intelligence brief. Here's today's latest AI news for July 18, 2026. We have 12 stories. Let's get into it. Here's your quick overview. Coming up, Kimi K3 shatters expectations, Visual-Reasoning-3D fusion hits Near-GPT 5.6 levels, OpenAI CFO drops ROI scorecard, cost per successful task now the new North Star, Brockman sounds alarm, benchmarks saturate too fast, industry needs new evaluation rules, LangChain unveils deep agents, non-deterministic software governance for production AI. And more in today's 12-story brief. Let's dive in. Kimi K3 just dropped, and it's making waves across the AI world. This Chinese multimodal model fuses visual understanding, reasoning, and 3D generation into a single system, turning prompts or videos into playable 3D environments. Independent benchmarks place it within striking distance of GPT 5.6 and Anthropic's Fable 5, even though Kimi trained before those models were public. That timing detail is critical, and it's why developers on Hacker News are calling this the second DeepSeek shock. In a major shift for AI commercialization, OpenAI's CFO Sarah Frier just published an AI scorecard built around real-world economics, not just accuracy scores. The centerpiece? Cost per successful task. It's joined by reliability, useful work output, and return on compute. This isn't theoretical, it's how OpenAI now wants customers to evaluate ROI. For product teams, that means every new agent feature must now justify itself in dollars and task success rates, not just MMLU points. OpenAI co-founder Brockman just dropped a quiet but seismic tweet: benchmarks get saturated very quickly these days. He's not complaining, he's diagnosing a systemic problem. As models like Kimi K3 hit near-perfect scores on MMLU and human eval, those metrics stop meaning anything. Brockman's comment confirms what many engineers already suspect: we're past the era where leaderboard rankings guide real decisions. Instead, task success rate and cost efficiency, like OpenAI's new CFO scorecard, now matter far more. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. LangChain just reframed the biggest challenge holding back AI agents: governance. They're calling agents non-deterministic software, and building Langsmith tools to track spend, protect sensitive data, and trace agent behavior across teams. Coming July 23, deep dives into 4 new agent patterns: verification loops, event-driven flows, hill climbing, and classic agent cycles. This isn't just code, it's production-grade guardrails. StarDust just raised the bar for embodied AI, with zero remote control. At WAIC 2026, their humanoid robot completed over 20 household chores end-to-end, wiping windows, brewing coffee, folding clothes, even sorting trash. No teleoperation. No hidden triggers. Just pure autonomy. The embodied AI community's reaction? Don't keep rolling like this. Why does it matter? Because this isn't just lab theater. It's a concrete signal that physical world agent deployment may arrive faster than we thought. Baibu Intelligence just open-sourced StaffDeck, a radical shift in how we think about AI agents. Instead of treating them as isolated tools, StaffDeck gives each agent a staff ID, a job description, performance goals, and even team reporting lines. It's the first serious attempt to manage agents like human employees, not just orchestrate them like scripts. For companies deploying dozens of agents, this solves the real headache: who's responsible when something goes wrong? NVIDIA and Hugging Face just teamed up on something practical: NeMo Automodel. It lets developers fine-tune video and image generation models at scale, using the exact same diffusers API they already know. No need to learn NeMo's framework. Just plug in your dataset and go. Why does it matter? Because fine-tuning video models used to require PhD-level infrastructure skills. Now it's accessible to any team with GPU access, and that could accelerate everything from marketing assets to internal prototyping. At WAIC 2026, China's AI chipmakers made a strategic pivot. Forget raw specs, ecosystem is king. Companies like MetaX didn't just show off silicon, they brought PyTorch, VLLM, and LangChain to co-host their booths. Their message? Winning isn't about matching NVIDIA's teraflops, it's about becoming the default platform for open-source developers. If this strategy sticks, it could reshape global AI infrastructure pricing and availability, especially for agent inference workloads. Google just introduced VGGRPO, a new video generation approach that tackles the oldest problem in the field, things disappearing mid-video. Instead of optimizing pixels, VGGRPO uses a 4D latent reward function that enforces physics-aware continuity, objects stay put, motion follows gravity, and scenes hold together over time. It's not just smoother, it's world-consistent. And it's already been accepted to ECCV 2026, signaling serious academic validation. Sam Altman just sent ripples through the AI hardware world, with 3 words. His reply, "I think it's good," to Jensen Huang's post got over 1,200 likes and ignited speculation about OpenAI's next move in chips. Is this a nod to deeper NVIDIA collaboration? A hint at OpenAI's own silicon roadmap? Or just polite engagement? Given the ongoing AI chip shortage and OpenAI's reported self-driving chip efforts, even a short quote carries weight, and investors are watching closely. OpenAI just dropped the ultimate cryptic teaser, a single eyes emoji in reply to developer Ed Dilhan. No link. No context. Just eyes, and instant chaos across AI Twitter. Is it a new model? A hardware play? A regulatory announcement? The timing is suspicious. It comes right after OpenAI's CFO published her ROI scorecard and Greg Brockman questioned benchmark validity. Whether it's a genuine heads-up or playful trolling, the buzz is real, and the countdown has unofficially begun. Simon Willison just spotlighted the most upvoted Hacker News comment on Kimi K3, and it's telling. Rather than celebrating the numbers, top developers are questioning benchmark validity, reproducibility, and whether Near-GPT 5.6 scores actually translate to real-world utility. Willison's curation turns a technical release into a cultural moment. It's not just about what Kimi K3 can do, it's about how the developer community chooses to interpret and validate it. That's all for today's Lulu's AI Daily Brief. If this was helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. I'm Lulu. See you tomorrow.